obstacle avoidance robot. No, we can see components name and their connections. This components name is ultrasonic sensor holder, servo motor, motor motor, jumper wires, motor driver, Arduino Uno, switch, battery holder. We can see connection between ultrasonic sensor and motor driver.